point, there's seals laying on the rocks.
Oh my camera's getting shot.
I gotta make the sound effect.
Okay, I'll reload it.
How many are? Oh, I'm sorry. Fuck!
Why are you hunting? Black Guillemot. They're all along the ledges of the rocks and stuff. There's a whole bunch. It was the 200 to 800, but it's like an F9, but to 800. That's super.
Like, a lot of bird names are actually given based on the onomatopoeia of the sound that they make.
Yeah.
So chickadee, chickadee. That's
Right.
that's kind of what they sound
What
like.
about
so.
the blue-footed booby?
Yeah, I know. So that's actually a better name because it actually describes the bird.
Hey, you can.
Close-up ones?
It's also like a third of the weight of
Sort of. I mean, they're kind of far away, but
Yeah.
hey, yo.
That's the best photographer I've had to ask. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. It's gonna be $50.
He's waiting to use that.
Oh, I don't have my wallet.
Oh, darn.
Oh my god. Sorry, there's just seagulls being fed.
Okay.